Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're checking out the MSI Aegis Z2 gaming desktop, a beast of a gaming PC that's built to handle all your gaming and productivity needs with top-tier specs like the AMD Ryzen R7-7700, GeForce RTX 4060, and 16GB DDR5 RAM. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below for the best deal on this incredible gaming PC, down pointing finger. Fire. Key features and performance. White check mark, AMD Ryzen R7-7700 processor, 8 cores, 16 threads for superior gaming performance and multitasking. White check mark, GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card, next-gen graphics for stunning visuals and smooth 4K gaming. White check mark, 16GB DDR5 RAM, blazing fast memory for seamless gaming and quick load times. White check mark, 1TB M.2 SSD, huge storage and super fast load speeds for games and apps. White check mark, 80+ Gold PSU, efficient power supply for stable performance and longevity. White check mark, Wi-Fi connectivity, seamless online gaming and streaming with built-in Wi-Fi. White check mark, DIY friendly, easy to upgrade and customize your system for future-proofing. White check mark, keyboard and mouse included, complete your gaming setup with quality peripherals. Video game, gaming and performance. The MSI Aegis Z2 is an absolute monster for gaming and productivity. With its Ryzen 7 processor and RTX 4060 GPU, you can easily tackle AAA games, stream content, and multitask without breaking a sweat. Whether you're gaming at 4K resolution, creating content, or running demanding applications, this PC can handle it all. Collision, should you buy it? If you're looking for a high-performance, future-proof gaming desktop, the MSI Aegis Z2 is a solid choice. With its top-tier specs, customizable features, and DIY-friendly design, this system is perfect for gamers who want to upgrade their setup and get the most out of their games. Right pointing finger, check the link below for the best deal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.